Hi folks, today I am preparing besan ki sabji. It's very easy and delicious recipe and easy to make. So let's start. Here I am taking 1 cup katori of besan or chickpea flour and tomato, onion, some garlics and red chili. I am taking a big size of utensil here and take the chickpea flour or besan. Break the lumps and add 1 spoon of water by sprinkling it like this. Please watch carefully because it is very important. See what I am doing? I am just rubbing the chickpea flour in the pan, right? Again I am sprinkling around 1 spoon of water and sprinkling it, right? So round and round your hand would be like this and make like this. See, do it like this as shown in the video, and after 2 minutes now you will get a budi like besan. See, do like this. In 2 minutes you will get a small size of pearl of the besan. Take a little amount of mustard oil and rub it like this, and see, all the pearls has been ready. This is all I want. See, now in a bowl I will pour it. I will take out all these besan pearl in the bowl like this. See, the small pearl of besan is ready. It's like bundi of the besan. Now make tomato puree. Cut the tomato and add 2 to 4 red chili. Red chili can be added as per your taste. You can skip it and blend it, and the tomato puree is ready. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder and half tablespoon of garam masala powder, right? And mix it thoroughly and our masala is ready. Let it soak for a while. See, I will keep aside and masala paste will be ready after some time. And now chop the onion. So the small pieces of onion I will cut here. So this piece of onion I will, like this, I will chop all the garlic. So all the onion and garlic is ready. Here I am taking 2 to 4 curry leaves. So all the ingredient is ready. So let's cook all these things and make recipe. Sorry, light has gone so I cannot record. In the mustard oil now, I am taking garlic, chopped onion and curry leaves and roast it for a while. After some time I am adding this pearl of the besan or chickpea flour and will roast it. In 2 to 4 minutes it will roast it like this. I am doing all this on the low flame only, right? So again I am roasting it for a while. See, the color has changed and oil is releasing. So at this stage I will add masala paste which has already prepared. So add it carefully. Again mix it and cover it, and at low heat I will cook for 5 to 6 minutes. Please remember your utensils should be the thick bottom pan. So it is, yeah, see, this is roasting and our masala is cooked. Now at this stage I am adding salt as per your taste. Again roast it for a while. See, masala has been cooked very nicely. At this stage I will add water to make gravy. So as required consistency you can add the water. Here I am adding 2 glasses of water. Again I will cover it and cook for a while. See, all the pearls is separated and see very nicely. Again I will cover it so all the aroma of spices and besan pearl will be mixed thoroughly. and our delicious recipe will be ready in a while. So let it boil. See, after 5 to 6 minutes our sabzi is ready. Now switch off the flame and I am garnishing it through dry kasuri methi. You can garnish with green cilantro also. See, the delicious and yummy and flavorful sabzi is ready. It's a side dish of dinner and lunch also. So if you watch till here, your one like will make my day. So like this video. Thanks for watching.